So when you get your machine with SYNTEC system, before you doing any changes on the system, you should back up all the parameters in this way. On the main screen, you press this and you found this. Sysadmin. Password 520 and press enter. And here we can press F2, it means backup sys. And here we use arrow button to change the SYNTEC backup and select. It's the SYNTEC backup. And then we insert the USB disk. Yeah. Make sure the SYNTEC setup is selected and you press next. And it shows in the USB disk this folder. And we just press next. And here ask you complete backup setting. Do you want to start backup? And next. And then you give it a name and some file comment. Just next is okay. And it may take several minutes to finish the backup.